Many students think that all dry coughs need bryonia. Yes, bryonia does have dry cough, but the character of the cough matters. In bryonia, the cough is dry and it is painful for the patient. There will be headache with cough, there can be chest pain with cough. Modalities are also important in bryonia. Movement. Every movement worsens the cough, be it physically moving, the patient physically moving, talking, laughing, eating, drinking, everything will bring on a bout of cough in bryonia. The patient will feel better while lying absolutely still. That time there will be no cough. Now let's compare some other remedies with dry cough. One is spongia. In spongia also there will be dry cough, but the sound of the cough is like barking. The cough is worse at night and the patient will feel better by drinking warm drinks. Warm drinks will soothe the patient. Now in spongia there can be laryngitis, so hoarseness can also accompany the cough in spongia. Another remedy, it is Rumex. Rumex, the cough is brought on by a tickling sensation in larynx. Again, another important remedy for laryngitis is Rumex. Here, like similar to bryonia, the patient is made worse by talking. Cold air aggravation is a very important modality in Rumex. Both spongia and Rumex are aggravated at night. The third remedy we can compare here is phosphorus. Phosphorus again has dry cough. The patient will also have a burning sensation in the chest. The time modality, that is the evening modality similar to pulsatilla, is characteristic in phosphorus. Here again similar to bryonia, the patient will also have aggravation by talking. So match the totality before prescribing for dry cough. Don't just look at dryness of the cough. Join subscription for in-depth practical homeopathic therapeutics.